Bad things can happen, it's true. But how long are you gonna let that situation or that person keep you there? It's time to say enough. Enough blame, enough guilt. It's time to get back your power. It's time to come back to self-authority. I see that a lot through the coaching I do. People that are highly self-aware, that knows exactly what to do, but are still keeping themselves stuck in situations. They know what they want, they know how to do it, but they are still in the same situation. For some people, it's been that situation for years. One person keeping them stuck, one situation or circumstances, and they keep finding reason outside of themselves to remove the responsibility of their own life, of their own choices, or their own decisions. And if it's you, this is a reminder that you are more powerful than you might think, that you have more power over the situation or that person than you think. And you have more control than you think. Of course, there's always things that we can control, right? But the whole point is to focus on things you can control. And most of the time, there's more things that we can control than we think. So how long, I'm asking you this, how long are you gonna let that situation or that person keep you there? Keep you in misery? Keep you in pain or in suffering? Yes, bad things can happen, but you have a choice on whether to stay there. Yes, bad things can happen, but at some point it becomes your decision on whether to stay there or to start moving. In the cases I'm talking about, it's really when you know exactly what to do. I'm not talking about these situations where you can't really do anything. I'm talking about this situation where not doing anything is your choice. And in that situation, it's important to ask yourself, how am I outsourcing my self-authority in that situation? How am I giving my power away to that person? The past is already gone. This is not something that you can change, but you can change now. You can change the present. And to change the present it's all about making a different decision or taking that decision, making different choices. So knowing you can't change the past and you don't know much about the future, what's going to be your choice in the present? And this is really my reminder today. You don't have to stay in that place. You can decide today that it's enough. It's enough. Enough avoiding, enough suffering. It's time to come back. You can choose to take back your power and reclaim your self-authority. From pain to power. And whatever pain you're feeling, going through it and coming back stronger. I always have that image of the phoenix being reborn from its ashes. I mean, what is human life if not a series of phoenix moments? And at some point, life is also all about a series of different moments where you either decide to come back or stay down. So what's gonna be your choice? You don't have to stay there anymore. At some point, it's time to say enough. So that was just a quick reminder based on some coaching session I had recently. But in any case, remember that you always have a choice in any situation. So yeah, that was it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.